Financial independence is not only about being financially known about things. It's all about being financially aware, having complete financial knowledge about the things that are happening around us, and being financially literate. So we might wonder, so why do we need to be financial aware or literate about? What is our role in financial management or so these things? Many of these things been taken care by other members of the family. And when I'm discussing this, I'm sure people, this particular session is mainly meant for non-finance people who are having different background, but chances are there must be some people who are from finance background also. So next 50 minutes, 50 to 55 minutes, what I'll be doing is I'll be discussing it in a very interactive way. I'll be asking you questions, and my request is you put your answer into chat box, and I'll try my best to make this technical topic. Financial literacy or financial management बोला तो थोड़ा टेंशन आ जाता है, you know, it is not something. Cooking बोला कि immediately हम लोग jump कर देते हैं, but financial literacy बोला कि oh my god, अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. But my promise to you is next 50 to 60 minutes I'll make it very interesting and fruitful to all of you. And those of you who are having little finance background, they will also find it little more exciting. So being a financially aware, having complete financial knowledge, and being financially literate, you know, financial independence means anyone says that I'll take correct financial decisions. We do take all the financial decisions every time, and I'll come to that. But do we take correct financial decision? Now that is a very, very, very important thing. Financial decision हर कोई लेता है, but correct financial decision लेने के लिए क्या हमें पता रहना चाहिए, क्या हमें मालूम रहना चाहिए? That we are going to discuss it with practical examples today. Right? So this correct financial decision I'll be talking every now onwards. So let us discuss कि financial decision किस तरीके से ले सकते हैं. But before I begin with my discussion or session also, here is a small questions to all of you, you know, and give me your answer into a chat box. What is that first thing that comes to your mind when you heard this word called finance? जैसे finance सुनते हैं हम लोग, हमारे मन में क्या विचार आते हैं? You please write it into chat. Oh, money. money, पैसा. क्या बात है? So everyone is about money, freedom, income, savings, security. Beautiful. Being comfortable. Wow. Wow. Security for future. Savings, money balance. Wow. Being comfortable. That was also another different and amazing thought, you know. Yes, money is certainly involved into finance, right? And when I say financial decision, a lot of you are given perfect answer that what is financial decision? Financial decision is something where money is involved, you know. Financial decision is where money is received or to be paid. So for example, I want to purchase a laptop. I want to buy a laptop. So I went to a shop and asked for the rate of laptop. And the shop owner gave me a quotation of laptop on my email. Now, is it a financial decision? No, it is not. Because I simply have asked for the rate. There is still no money received or paid. But when I buy the laptop, right, now that time I'm supposed to pay the money. So that money need to be paid. So all the decisions where money need to be received or to be paid are the financial decisions. Simple as that. So let us make this context very clear. हम लोग एक बार ये जान लेते हैं कि हम लोग अगले 45-50 minutes किस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. So financial decision जिसमें पैसा involve होता है. आप सबने कहा कि finance is relating to money, right? उसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. All we discuss about money by today, you know, in next 50-55 minutes, right? So now what all financial decisions we take all the time? Continuously हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ financial decision ले रहे हैं. एक, shall we buy a house or shall we stay in a rented house? सोचना पड़ता है, हमको financial decision लेना पड़ता है, हमको डिसीजन लेना है कि क्या करना है हमको. Shall I, समझो मेरे पास हाउसिंग लोन है. I have purchased a house and I have a housing loan. Now I have got some extra income. Now shall I prepay that housing loan because मैं मेरा interest save कर लूंगा, or shall I invest that money over somewhere else because housing loans are available at very low rates? What shall I do? Right? Everyone is saying कि शेयर मार्केट बहुत अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट बहुत लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि इट इज वेरी रिस्की. अभी मेरे पास कुछ पैसा पड़ा है, मैं क्या करूं वो पैसे का? फिक्स डिपॉजिट में डालूं, शेयर मार्केट में डालना है, म्यूचुअल फंड में डालना है, क्या करना है? Right? And I want to know from you also, what are the financial decisions normally you as a homemaker or as finance people person or whatever stage of life you are at, कौन से financial decision आप लेते हो? मुझे आपसे भी जानना है. Right? Few more examples of financial decision. दैट डायमंड नेकलेस, हम लोग कहीं पे इंटरनेट पे ब्राउज करते रहते हैं, कोई डायमंड नेकलेस हमें पसंद आता है और आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया है वो डायमंड नेकलेस अपना पीछे ही नहीं छोड़ता है. आप गूगल पे हो, वो डायमंड नेकलेस आपके सामने आ गया. आप इंस्टा पे जाते हो, आप डायमंड नेकलेस आपके सामने है. फेसबुक पे हो, आपके सामने है. And then someone is saying that diamond necklace is available in 12 interest-free installments. Interest-free, right? And immediately we tempt to go for that. अरे 12 इंस्टॉलमेंट में पैसा पे करना है, क्या ले लेते हैं, ये सब ना. एंड यू गो बियॉन्ड योर हस्बैंड एंड क्या करना है क्या नहीं. इज इट रियली इंटरेस्ट फ्री? इज इट रियली इंटरेस्ट फ्री? यू नो, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर आता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला बंदा आता है आपके पास, ही सेज कि आप मेरे पास इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करो, 3 साल में डबल कर दूंगा. नाउ शैल आई गो फॉर इट और नॉट? 3 साल में पैसा डबल. आई मीन ये क्या फंडा है, क्या कौन से बेसिस पे मैंने डिसीजन लेना है कि इज इट अ गुड स्कीम, नॉट अ गुड स्कीम, आई नीड टू गो फॉर इट, आई डोंट नीड टू गो फॉर इट? क्या बेसिस पे डिसीजन लेना है? यू नो, कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला आता है, वो बोलता है कि आपके बच्चे के स्टडी के लिए, मैरिज के लिए, यू इन्वेस्ट इन दिस, यू इन्वेस्ट फॉर 15 years, 20 years, विल पे यू समथिंग लाइक दिस. ऑन व्हाट बेसिस शैल वी टेक द डिसीजंस? राइट? एंड आई वांट टू नो अगेन फ्रॉम यू, what different financial decisions you take in your routine life. As simple as you pay salary to your maid, you take that financial decision. Do you think it's a financial decision? Yes, it's a financial decision, right? So what do you think that what are the financial decisions normally you at whatever stage of life at you take financial decisions? What do you like? Post office scheme, shares, buying land, beautiful, very good, Vanita ji. Whether to use college bus, beautiful Isha. कॉलेज बस लेना या पापा के पास मोटर बाइक को या कार के लिए पीछे पड़ना है, फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन, राइट? इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड, वेदर एफडी, शेयर्स, पीपीएफ, अमेजिंग. टर्म डिपॉजिट्स, इंश्योरेंस, कौन सा इंश्योरेंस लेना है, ब्यूटीफुल थिंग. I mean, flood of insurances. Which is good insurance for us? SSY, FD, amazing. Thank you so much. Thanks. These are the different financial decisions we all the time need to take to. और ये क्या बेसिस पे लेना है, कैसे हमें समझना है, किस तरीके से फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन लेना है, यू नो, हाउ टू टेक करेक्ट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे, you know. And why these correct financial decisions are more important, friends? Because all the financial decisions you take are your hard-earned money. हर financial decision में your hard-earned money is involved. You, your husband or some family member of yours put so much efforts to earn that money, and we shall not lose it just due to our financial illiteracy or unawareness. हम लोगों को थोड़ा भी छोटा सा फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज हम लोग ले लेते हैं, थोड़ा लिटरेट हो जाते हैं ना, तो वी कैन यूज दैट मनी वाइजली, वी कैन टेक दैट करेक्ट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन. दैट्स व्हाई टाइम एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, करेक्ट फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, राइट? और उसके लिए हमको क्या समझना पड़ेगा, क्या सोचना पड़ेगा, क्या हमको जानना पड़ेगा, that we'll discuss in few examples. So आज what I'm trying to do, you know, I don't want to give you any kind of theoretical concepts और बहुत ज्यादा टेक्निकल चीजें नहीं कहना. I'm taking a small practical examples, and I'm sure many of you would have come across this kind of examples, and I'm taking practical example which happened with someone else. I'm just sharing my screen again. You know, let us understand through these practical examples. Let us discuss through that, right? So there was this couple called Raj and Simran, happily married couple having 5-year-old kid called Jay, right? ये राज या सिमरन सुना तो कुछ चीज की याद आई? You remember any movie of Raj and Simran? Right? Let's see, financial independence के बारे में बात करते हुए, how many of DDLJ, क्या बात है ये I am sure none of you will miss this. राइट, whatever I'll discuss today, अगर मैं 8 दिन के बाद पूछूंगा ना, I doubt किसी को कुछ पता होगा या थोड़ा बहुत ये करेगा. DDLJ happened 30 years back, right? People remember Raj and Simran, but no, it is such a beautiful thing. So take this example, and this is a practical example. I have just changed name. So I'm into CA practice for 21 years, and I have come across many such situations. So this is a practical example I came across in my client's case. I just have changed the names to make it a little funny. See, take this example. Raj and Simran is married couple having 5-year-old son, right? Now, one investment banker comes to them. An investment banker comes to them, and what he says, he gives a very interesting and exciting investment scheme to it. So not every investment scheme is bad. Not every investment scheme is a Ponzi scheme or a fraud scheme. There are many beautiful, wonderful investment schemes, and one such scheme that investment banker comes with to Raj and Simran, right? What scheme he talks about? Now, what investment banker says, now understand it beautifully. आप ये थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. आप शायद नंबर्स के साथ ज्यादा खेलते नहीं है, काम नहीं पड़ता है ना, तो भी एक थोड़ा सोचिए नंबर्स के साथ में. So that investment banker says to Raj that if you invest 10 lakh rupees per annum up to 15 years, that is Jay reaches to age of 20. Jay today is a 5 years old. Up to by the time he reaches 20, तब तक अगले 15 साल आप 10 लाख रुपया हर साल कमाओ, right? And what is his scheme? After that, you stop paying. After he reaches 20 years or after 15 years from now, you stop paying, and we will pay him for his lifetime 10 lakh rupees per annum. And per annum is per year. So I'll repeat it again. Simple scheme है. अगले 15 साल आप 10 लाख रुपया हर साल ये स्कीम में पैसा डालो. 10-15 साल बाद आपको कोई पैसा नहीं डालना है, और उसके बाद जय के लाइफ टाइम तक हम लोग हर साल उसको 10 लाख रुपया दे देंगे. और जिस साल अगर जय को लगता है कि मुझे पैसा वापस चाहिए, तो जो भी पूंजी जमा हुई रहेगी हम वो पूंजी उसको फिर से वापस दे देंगे. बेसिक स्कीम है, इसमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट राज डज नाउ, when the investment banker is talking about this, Raj being a father, he's remembering his initial difficult days. He had to struggle a lot. For many days, he had only 1 million a day. So typical that middle class family story, that father goes to a lot of struggle and then he builds his career, they starts earning money. So today Raj and Simran are earning decent money. Not बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा, but decent amount of money. But he's remembered his struggling days, and he all the time thinks that मेरे बच्चे को वो दिन नहीं देखने चाहिए, right? We listen to this dialogue so many times in our family. जो दिन मैंने देखे मेरे बच्चे ने नहीं देखने चाहिए. And Raj also thinks the similar way. Now, Raj being an emotional person, he makes his calculation. He makes his calculations mind. So he thoughts like, मेरा बच्चे को अगर 10 लाख रुपया साल का मिल गया, that means 85,000 rupees per month. साल का 10 लाख रुपया divided by 12 months, almost 85,000 rupees per month. Means he at least need not to struggle for his basic living. एक खाने पीने का तो स्ट्रगल नहीं रहेगा. एटलीस्ट 85-90,000 मिल गया ना मेरे को, तो एक बेसिक काइंड ऑफ लिविंग में जी पाऊंगा. ठीक है, बहुत लग्जरियस लाइफ आई माइट नॉट हैव, बट एटलीस्ट हिज फूड एंड ब्रेड एंड बटर विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. नाउ राज ये तरीके से सोच रहा है कि उतना मैं उसके लिए सिक्योर कर लूं तो एटलीस्ट आई एम डन विथ माय ड्यूटी. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? नाउ what happens is Raj become little emotional for his loving and only son and immediately decided to go for it. राइट? ही टेक्स के चलो ठीक है, ये स्कीम हम लोग ले लेते हैं, बहुत अच्छा स्कीम है, एटलीस्ट मेरे बच्चे का फ्यूचर तो क्लियर हो जाएगा और उसका ब्रेड एंड बटर का तो इश्यू नहीं आएगा, राइट? नाउ दिस सिमरन इज देयर. नाउ शी इज लिटिल प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन. She says, let's make some calculation and check whether this financial scheme makes some sense also or not. We cannot put the 10 lakh rupees is big amount. It's big money. We cannot put it just like that. राइट? हम लोग सोचते हैं इसका क्या फाइनेंशियल सेंस बनता है कि नहीं बनता है. सो बोथ ऑफ देम सिट टुगेदर एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग सर्टेन कैलकुलेशंस, राइट? Raj and Simran started making calculation and they started thinking in 15 years, 10 lakh rupees per annum. So we just need to pay 1.5 crore rupees, and that too in 15 years. I'm not paying 1.5 crore lump sum today. In 10-15 installments, I'm paying that 10 lakh rupees, and 15 साल में मेरे जेब से almost 1.5 CR rupees जाएगा. Okay, understood. Now what? Now imagine the average life expectancy is 80 years. That is what scientists, or that is what a situation today. Average life expectancy is around 80 years. So he'll get 10 lakh rupees per year for next 60 years. That is 6 CR. राइट मैं इन्वेस्ट कितना कर रहा हूं 1.5 CR. मुझे पैसा कितना मिल रहा है 6 CR. ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? And so by paying 1.5 CR, we'll end up getting 6 CR rupees. Not bad, amazing, right? So and then on top of it, अगर जब भी जय को लगता है anytime he can encash that, वो 1.5 करोड़ रुपया कभी भी encash करके he can use it for his new project, new industry if he wants to put in, new house he wants to buy. That decision Jay has to take when once he gets matured, once he gets grown up, you know. So उसके पास 1.5 CR का एक किटी भी रहेगा as a financial security, and he'll, if not, he can use that 1.5 CR for whatever project or home he wants to buy, or that 10 lakh रुपया पर हर साल का तो आ ही रहा है. So I mean, nothing to lose. Amazing scheme, you know. So Raj and Simran both become very happy. Simran also become happy and decided to support Raj's decision, you know, so that their son will have financially secured life. So I mean, simple calculation makes a lot of sense. That 1.5 CR we pay and we get 6 CR in his lifetime, and plus security of that 1.5 CR kitty to him, right? Isn't it a wonderful and wise decision? I mean, basic sense, I want to know from you in a chat. So 1.5 CR we are paying, 6 CR almost, so almost 6 CR. और अगर लगता है तो मैं तो पैसा वापस भी ले सकता हूं. मेरे को जब भी लगता है I have that 1.5 CR, उसके लिए एफडी में पीछे पटक रखा है, एफडी में बाजू में रख दिया है पैसा, राइट? सो 6 CR almost I'll be getting, and many of them takes kind of this decision. Isn't it a wonderful and wise decision? Unfortunately not. Unfortunately, it's not a wise decision, right friends? It's not a financially wise decision, right? And let me tell you a shocking thing. The survey had happened by an investment company, and that investment company had a shocking revelation that 64% of the people, उन्होंने survey करके they took the asked the same questions to almost 5,000 people, and 64% people said that we'll go ahead with this scheme. What is wrong in that scheme? We'll go ahead with that, right? Unfortunately, friends, it's not a wise decision. Why it's not a wise decision? Because in finance, there is something called time value of money. There is something called time value of money, right? What does it mean? Time value of money क्या कहता है? With time, value of money changes. Value of money changes. So for example, हमारे बचपन में we used to, on Diwali, for example, Diwali used to be a big festival at our place, and Diwali ke din we used to go to buy crackers with our parents, you know. And I remember 400 or 500 rupees में we used to get that full of 2 bags of crackers. और वो crackers मतलब 10 दिन चलते थे, 2 bag भर के crackers, you know, and 10 that waterfall or what not, almost everything, you know, and 300-400 rupees hardly. आज अगर मैं 1000 रुपीस के क्रैकर लेने जाऊं तो फॉरगेट अबाउट 2 बैग्स, मैं हाथ में भी नहीं बैठेंगे शायद क्रैकर्स, यू नो, एंड विद इन हाफ एन आवर क्रैकर खत्म हो जाते हैं. व्हाई इट हैपेंड फ्रेंड्स? व्हाट हैपेंड? यू नो, 1000 रुपीस का नोट तो सेम ही है, 1000 रुपीस का तो अमाउंट तो सेम ही है. व्हाई द क्रैकर्स रिड्यूस? सो इन numbers, if for example earlier I used to get 100 crackers in 1000 rupees, why today I get only 8 crackers? Money changes its value with time. We need to understand that money changes its value with time, and that is one of the most important concepts we need to understand while making investment. And you know to what extent money changes value? I'll just tell you a few examples, and let us go back to our Raj and Simran example after this. So whether 1000 rupees today has the same value that 1000 rupees had 30 years back? No, not at all. Similarly, 1000 rupees today will not have the same value 30 years afterwards. It will not have same value, friends, right? राज और सिमरन के एग्जाम्पल में द इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर टोल्ड दैट विल पे यू 10 lakh rupees for his lifetime. Today, Jay is 15-year-old. Say, for example, 30 year afterward, after down the line, he'll become 45-year-old. So value of 10 lakhs after 30 years at the age of 45 of Jay, as per today's value, would be only 1.56 lakh rupees. 10 lakh ka value jo hai, that will be only 1.56 lakh rupees. Right? In other words, 10 lakh is present value, today's value. But after 30 years, the future value of today's 10 lakh rupees will become only 1.56 crores. Oh, sorry, lakhs. Only 1.56 lakhs, right? Money changes value with its time. And this is the most important thing we need to understand while making any financial decision. So that means what? That Jay will get monthly 13,500 only of today's value and not 85,000 rupees. From where 13,500 figure came? So today's value was, future value of today's 10 lakh was 1.56 lakh rupees per annum. वो जो 10 लाख रुपया 30 साल बाद मिलेगा ना, उसका आज का कीमत अगर मैं निकालूं आज के वैल्यू के हिसाब से 30 years down the line, future value would be only 1.56 lakh rupees per annum. So monthly it becomes 13,500 rupees and not 85,000 rupees that Raj was thinking. So future value of 85,000 rupees after 30 years, it's only 13,500 rupees. Can someone live a decent life in 13,500 rupees per month today? No. I mean, we cannot, I mean, of course, people are living. It's not that it has a value. 13,500 also has a value. You cannot live a decent life. That's what I want to say, And most important thing is, Raj is making investment of 10 lakh rupees per annum today, thinking that he'll get 85,000 rupees per month for his lifetime. But it's not the case. And here I'm talking only about 30 years. Imagine what would be the case after 50 years. Chances are this 13,500 would become probably 4,000-5,000 rupees per month. और उससे उसका गुजारा होगा, right? So Raj is investing आज का 10 lakh रुपया. Today his hard-earned money 10. So आज he's curtailing on his enjoyment. आज he's curtailing on his other requirements and investing for his son's future, thinking that he's securing his future for lifetime. But नहीं हो रहा है. After 30 years, he's giving only 13,500. After 50 years, it will become only 4,000-5,000 rupees. So this is what is happening. If Raj and Simran takes this decision, this money would not be useful to Jay because that 10 lakh had changed its value with time. And like Raj, Jay also might go through the same struggle that Raj had. Even that 1.5 CR, that principal amount, that kitty. So Raj thought that वो 1.5 crore रुपया यूज कर लेगा जब कभी उसका घर परचेस करना है, कोई इंडस्ट्री डालना है, कोई प्रोजेक्ट डालना है. And say for example 30 years down the line, if Raj wants to, Jay wants to make some industry or project, that 1.5 cr's value would become some around 20-21 lakh rupees. Future value of 1.5 CR 30 years down the line would become 20-21 lakhs rupees. और 20 lakhs में hardly कोई घर बन पाता है आज के डेट में. Right? We need to understand this. While making investment decisions, we need to understand this. If Raj and Simran had this financial awareness about time value of money, they would not have ended up taking horribly wrong financial decision. And why I'm saying horribly wrong? Because that 4,000-5,000 rupees 50 years down the line would not have any value. Right? So आज का इतना मेहनत से कमाया हुआ पैसा उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं और आगे जाके उसका रिटर्न्स नहीं मिलने वाला है, उसका उतना फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. Horribly wrong financial decision, right? Similarly, lot of us friends, lot of us makes investment plan. So we invest money of today's value to get, say for example, 5 crore rupees 30 years down the line, and we consider that at least my retirement will be taken care of. 5 करोड़ रुपया 30 साल बाद मिल गया. 5 करोड़ में डिसेंट लाइफ जी लेंगे. 5 करोड़ अगर मैं बैंक में भी रख देता हूं, एंड टुडे फॉर एग्जांपल एफडी रेट्स आर 6%, 5 करोड़ पे 6% से मेरे को 30 लाख रुपया मिल जाएगा. 30 lakh rupees आई गेट, and 30 lakh rupees in a year, that means 2.5 lakh rupees per month, and 2.5 lakh rupees is a decent amount. आज के दिन में 2.5 lakh रुपए में आराम से अच्छे से रह सकते हैं, राइट? ये सोच के आज का मेरा पैसा मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा हूं, आई एम थिंकिंग माय रिटायरमेंट इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन आई रीच टू 60 इयर्स? ये 5 करोड़ रुपया क्या हो जाएगा, राइट, इट इज एज गुड एज ये 5 करोड़ का रुपया देने का इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर ने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था, बट उस टाइम निकाल के आपको सिर्फ 70-75 लाख रुपीस दे रहा है. डजंट मीन ही इज डूइंग सम चीटिंग. वो कोई चीटिंग नहीं कर रहा है, पैसे का वैल्यू चेंज हो गया है, its value has changed. So that's what we need to understand all the time while making investment, that are we making correct financial decision. That 5 crore rupees retirement plan, 10 lakh रुपया आज का डालने का है, whatever XYZ amount, even if you put 5,000 rupees today, I mean that every penny has a value because आज का अपना वो पैसा हम लोग डाल रहे हैं. So do I factor in or do I consider time value of money while taking the financial decision? You know, very, very, very important. So apply time value of money and check future value of 5 crore rupees is 30 years. It's going to be around 80 lakh rupees only and not 5 CR. So 80 लाख रुपया सिर्फ हमको मिलेगा, और वो बैंक में रख के हमको 2.5 लाख रुपया 2.5 lakh rupees साल का नहीं मिलेगा. We will get you hardly few thousands, anywhere between 25,000-30,000 rupees per month. So that time be ready with some unpleasant surprise if you're not factored in time value of money. You know, we need to be ready for unpleasant surprise, and that time you cannot go back and change anything. One thing you cannot buy back is time, and that's why it says as time value of money. What a horribly wrong financial decision it would be, isn't it? And most important thing, please don't consider we are alone who missed on a time value of money. As many as 64% people don't consider time value of money while making the investment. Can you imagine how many of them keep taking horribly wrong financial decision? And I purposely using this word horribly, you know, because imagine आपको 30 साल बाद कोई बोल रहा है मैं 5 करोड़ दूंगा और 30 साल बाद लेके आके आपको सिर्फ 70 lakhs rupees दे रहा है. Wouldn't it be a horrible thing with us? And that's what is happening. And the only person responsible for this particular thing happening is us, because we haven't factored in time value of money into that, right? Can we imagine the financial literacy we have amongst the literate people? 64% people, right? Financial literacy among the literate people I'm talking. I'm not talking about uneducated people. Literate people, you know, financial literacy. Government says, friends, government says in India today, SEBI chairman, Mr. Garg, his quote is there that in India, 75% of the educated people today are financially illiterate. 75% of educated people are financially illiterate. Okay, chalo, let us go to something else. I'll take another example. So this is time value of money. This one thing you need to understand like anything while making investment. Right? Let us take another example, small example, practical example, jo recently hua hai, you know, how people take horribly wrong financial decision. So I'll just give me a second. I want to share with you something else. So I hope you are able to see Chinese scam that cheated 5 lakh Indians for 150 crore rupees. आपके स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है आपको? If you can just thumbs up. Great, 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 great. Chinese scam that cheated 5 lakh rupees, 5 lakh Indians of 150 crore rupees. और आप यहाँ पे डेट देखते होगे 10th June 2021. I'm not talking about the story of say 10 years back, 2 months back. Just 2 months back, what happened in our country, and this happened in Bangalore for that matter, right? This company was Chinese people opened a company showing address at a Bangalore, right? And I'll tell you what they did. You know, so this is the article available in Times of India. You can just Google it and you'll get it, right? So what happened with these Chinese people? How people got cheated? Chinese scammers looted 5 lakh Indians for 150 crore in May and June 2021. What happened is, you know, Chinese scammers promise that they will double the investment amount in how many days? 24 to 35 days, friends. Double the investment. एक महीने के अंदर पैसा डबल कर देंगे, you know. That वो कौन सा मूवी था? हेरा फेरी ऐसा कोई मूवी था ना? उसमें वो कहते थे लक्ष्मी पॉन्जी स्कीम है, ऐसा कोई तो स्कीम था, चिट फंड और समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? एक इतने पेन में पैसा डबल कर देंगे. They give an option to invest as small as 300 rupees. So poorest of people also put in amount that, and people investment lakhs of rupees in that scheme, right? एक महीने में double कर देंगे. What happened is, and initially few of them put the money and they get returns also. Few of them got returns also. That's how these schemes get you trapped. आपको इस तरीके से ट्रैप किया जाता है, पहले आपको रिटर्न दिया होता है. So then those 50 people who got the return, they make all the noise, पैसा मिल गया, double हो गया, double हो गया, double हो गया, right? And we then get tempted to invest into that. What happened after that is, of course, एक महीने में पैसा कोई डबल करके दे सकता है क्या फ्रेंड्स? But still 5 lakh people got trapped in greed of making more money in very short time. 5 lakh people, friends, got trapped. ये कोई छोटा मोटा नंबर नहीं है, right? And there are, ये जो इंटरव्यू में इनका देख रहा था, आपको जब मैंने शेयर किया था, तो there was a photo of a police inspector, and I was listening to that interview. He said there are so many of them who are not coming in front to complain. So 5 lakh people are who officially recognized or complained. There are few thousands or lakhs of people who are not coming ahead and complained because वो पैसा जो आया था उनके पास, वो source white का नहीं था, black का source था. So they don't want to talk about it. So we don't know that 5 lakh number is how big number, and that 150 crore number वो कितना बड़ा है, right? You would be surprised to know 2 shocking findings of this case. 2 shocking findings. 5 लाख रुपए जो लोगों ने कंप्लेंट किया है ना, उसका आप सुनोगे. 2 shocking observations of findings of this case, right? What are those observations? 42% people who invested money were educated people. Friends, educated people, right? And 67% of them were females. क्यों होता है ऐसा? Educated people समझता नहीं हमको कि एक महीने में पैसा डबल कैसे होगा, right? But someone says, मेरा कोई नेबर है, मेरा कोई ऑफिस का कलीग है, says मैंने खुद किया है, मेरा खुद का पैसा डबल हुआ है, मेरे को मिला है, ये देख मैसेज, ये देख बैंक अकाउंट, and we get tempted, right? Making early money, right? Where did that financial sense go? क्यों नहीं पता चलता है हमके कि महीने भर में कैसे पैसा डबल हो सकता है? 67% फीमेल्स, बिकॉज उनका सेविंग जो है ना महीने के खर्चे का, छोटा छोटा जो पहले हम लोग बर्तन में रखते थे, टिफिन में, डब्बे में रखते थे, एंड दैट डिमोनेटाइजेशन केम और सब पैसा बाहर निकल गया. हैपेंड विद ऑल ऑफ अस, राइट? एंड वो उतना बचा के किया पैसा इसमें डाल दिया और एक महीने में डबल होगा बोल दिया, एंड गायब. दे लॉस्ट ऑल द मनी. All of them invested their hard-earned money in a greed of getting faster income in very short time, fast income in very short time. Finally, all of them got cheated and lost their lifetime saving. कैसे कोई दे सकता है? एक महीने में My simple question is, अगर कोई एक महीने में पैसा डबल कर रहा है, why Reliance, Anil Ambani, why any big person will work यार? सब पैसा निकाल के इनको दे देंगे ना, ऐसा महीने में डबल हो रहा है. आज कोई बिजनेस में महीने में पैसा डबल नहीं होता है. They will give to this यार. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It doesn't happen like that. Most important financial rule, friends. If you want to take 2-3 very important things out of this session today, this one particular thing, please remember it for your lifetime. If someone promises you assured return, right, of more than 8 to 10%, you need to be super alert about security of your funds. You need to be super alert about security of fund. And when I say assured returns, that means someone giving in writing that I will give you more than 10% per annum return. So I'm not saying aapko mil nahi sakta hai. I'm not saying this is not possible. You can get it. Many of you must be investing in shares and mutual fund, and you must be getting returns of 15%, 18%, 20%. I'm not saying you cannot get it, but no one can give you assured return. No mutual fund company can give you in writing that you invest in this amount and I will give you in writing that you will get more than 10%. कोई दे नहीं सकता. और अगर कोई दे रहा है, you need to be 200% alert. 8 to 10% return से ज्यादा अगर दे रहा है तो very, very, very important financial rules, right? This danger sign. और आपको कभी messages, WhatsApp, phone call, email, ऐसा आता होगा. ये कुछ ऐसे एग्जांपल आते होंगे कि we give you interest free loans. इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन मिल जाता है, आप ले लो. 3 साल में पैसा डबल कर देंगे. आप पैसा डालो, 3 साल में पैसा डबल कर देंगे. आपको इतने पैसे का लॉटरी मिल गया है. इनफैक्ट मैं तो कितनी बार मॉर्निंग में उठता और मेल चेक करता हूं ना, आई फील लाइक आई बिकम बिलियनियर. क्योंकि कम से कम 4 मेल रहते हैं, आपको इतना करोड़ का लॉटरी मिल गया, इतना करोड़ का गिफ्ट मिल गया, एंड आई सेड व्हाट आई एम डूइंग यार, मैं तो ऑलरेडी इतना बिलियनियर है, क्यों जॉब पे जाने का है, फॉरगेट इट। बट नथिंग, अभी तक कोई लॉटरी या गिफ्ट अभी तक आया नहीं घर पे, यू नो that you will get gift of so much rupees, free gift of so much rupees. The moment you get any such message, WhatsApp, call, email, ये जो राइट साइड में डेंजर का साइन है ना, इसका प्लीज कहीं पे स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के रखो और ये करो इमीडिएटली। अपने दिमाग में ना वो ऊपर आ जाना चाहिए, वो नोटिफिकेशन आता है, पॉपअप हो जाता है अपने पास, वो आपको मैसेज आ जाता है व्हाट्सएप आने के बाद नोटिफिकेशन, इमीडिएटली दिस डेंजर नोटिफिकेशन शुड कम टू यू इन योर माइंड, यू नो, ऐसा कुछ भी मैसेज आता है तो this one particular message I got last week and I have it in my mobile. नॉर्मली ऐसा मैसेज आता मैं तुरंत डिलीट कर देता हूँ, राइट? ये मैसेज मेरे मोबाइल में है अभी, कांग्रेट्स योर मोबाइल नंबर इज सिलेक्टेड टू, ये अमाउंट भी देखो, आई मीन मुझे लगता है ये स्कैमस्टर को शर्म कैसे नहीं आता है, अमाउंट 131 करोड़, मतलब इसका तो जीरो में देखते मेरे नोटबुक में, इसमें मेरा जीरो ही नहीं बैठा है, इसका इतना अमाउंट मुझे गिफ्ट मिला है, राइट? और मेरा मोबाइल नंबर सिलेक्ट हो गया है, वाओ, ये तो आई मीन बिल गेट्स और सब लोग मेरे पास भागते आ जाएंगे, यू नो, टू क्लेम सेंड द नेम, एज, फोन नंबर एंड योर एड्रेस टू दिस ईमेल नंबर, दिस ईमेल, यू नो, इतना सर, एंड I still have this message, actually got this messages, and I'm sure many of you must be getting this, something like that. My humble request to all of you friends, humble request to all of you is, डोंट इवन एनालाइज द मैसेज, वो मैसेज को एनालाइज भी मत करो, अरे यार होगा ना, क्यों नहीं होगा, मेरा नंबर सिलेक्ट हो गया रहेगा, यू नो, वी गेट द चिल्ली के सपने, करेक्ट, आ गया रहेगा मेरा नंबर, मेरा लक आजकल बहुत अच्छा है, मैंने वो देखा भी था कहीं पे, न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा था, आपको पैसे का लाभ होने वाला है। प्लीज डोंट एनालाइज, कुछ नहीं है, कोई लाभ नहीं है, पैसा जाने वाला है, मिलने वाला नहीं है। द डेंजर अलार्म शैल इमीडिएटली इग्नाइट इन योर माइंड सीइंग दिस। Please, before your mind even start thinking about, delete these messages, immediately delete these messages. Please don't get into such traps. And most important thing, please, आप शायद सोचते रहेंगे ऐसा क्यों होगा या मेरे साथ कैसे होगा, शायद हम जो ये सेशन में उपस्थित है उनमें से शायद किसी के साथ नहीं होगा, बट in your friends, in your relatives, in your kids, you need to develop this confidence. One, please don't get into these traps, and if unfortunately if you get trapped, right, please talk to your relatives or police. Don't get feared, ये मैं कर दिया, अभी सब लोग क्या बोलेंगे, मुश्किल होगा, because so why I'm telling you friends, in pandemic I had 2 such incidents. One is very close friend and one is hard situation. इतने दिन तक सिर्फ फाइनेंशियल लॉस तक ये लॉस सीमित था, लोगों को सिर्फ फाइनेंशियल लॉस होता था. I had 2 incidents in this pandemic time. One is very close friend and one is friend's friend, known person. 2 of them made suicides. They made suicides, getting trapped into this because they haven't talked with anyone, the relative and police किसी को बताया नहीं, and they got so trapped, वो इतना अंदर चले गए कि they couldn't find any way out and they made suicide. My humble request to all of you, इतने दिन तक पैंडेमिक के पहले तक मैं सुनता था लोग नुकसान हो रहा है, पैसा वे लॉस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये सब कर रहे हैं. I had heard these 2 situations. So please give this comfort, confidence to everyone. First तो ये सब बता देना अपने friends, relatives, बच्चों को, सबको, whomsoever knows, especially the maids and drivers that you have in office, home. You know, this whole session is not only for you, even those people who don't have access to all this knowledge, right? Make them aware that don't get trapped into this. And if at all you get trapped, please talk to someone and take action on that. राइट एक छोटा सा सिंपल ट्रिक मैं आपको देता हूं कि इसमें किस तरीके से हम लोग इसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन आई से 8 to 10% हमको रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए, कैसे पता चलेगा 8 to 10% रिटर्न है? अगर कोई बोलता है कि 4 साल में पैसा डबल कर दूंगा, कैसे पता चलेगा कितना रेट ऑफ रिटर्न है? कैसे पता चलेगा कितना परसेंटेज का रिटर्न है? राइट, आई विल गिव अ स्मॉल ट्रिक्स. So I promised you in the session that today we'll be getting something, some knowledge, some tools, some tricks about how to take correct financial decisions. So honestly 15 or 50 or 60 minutes I'll not be able to make full justice to it, but at least something will understand, and will understand that one particular thing, that how important it is to be aware about financial decisions, to be literate about how to take correct financial decisions. So this another very interesting small financial trick I'll give it to you कि अगर आपको देखना है कि मेरे को रिटर्न कितना मिल रहा है, पैसा कितना मिल रहा है, right? If you want to know what is my ROI, ROI is what? Return on investment. How to get your approx ROI within seconds. कैलकुलेटर नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, एंड वी आर नॉट फाइनेंस पीपल. सो पता कैसे चलेगा कि अगर कोई बोलता है 4 साल में पैसा डबल करूंगा, 6 साल में करूंगा, आई मीन व्हाट इज द रिटर्न ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट? सिंपल एग्जांपल, राइट? आई विल गिव यू सिंपल टू. हियर इज द ट्रिक, एंड द ट्रिक इज कॉल्ड रूल 72, right? Simple rule, rule 72. What does it call? How do you derive on return on investment? Rule 72. What is that rule? You know, rule 72 tells that a particular return or interest rate, at a particular return or interest rate, in how many years your money will get doubled. I'll repeat. At a particular, कोई बोलता है कि मैं आपको 10% से रिटर्न दूंगा. ओके, 10% से रिटर्न देंगे मतलब मेरा पैसा डबल कितने सालों में होगा? आपको अगर जानना है, rule 72. Yes, someone says in next slide, rule 72 tells if someone tell you that I'll get money doubled in particular years, 6 साल में पैसा डबल कर दूंगा. Okay, so what is return you are talking about? कैसे पता चलेगा? So अपना rule क्या था? If someone is talking about assured return of 8 to 10%, I need to have that danger alarm or alert alarm got ignited in my mind. So return पता कैसे चलेगा, right? इंटरेस्ट रेट, आपको अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट, सो दिस 72 इज व्हाट? डबल द मनी. कितने दिनों में पैसा डबल होगा? सो आपके पास अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट है तो इंटरेस्ट रेट 72 डिवाइडेड बाय दैट ईयर इज इक्वल टू दैट इंटरेस्ट रेट दैट विल गिव. कोई बोलता है 6 साल में पैसा डबल होगा, 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 6, राइट, इज 12. दैट मींस ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट 12% इंटरेस्ट रेट. व्हाट वाज आवर रूल? 8 to 10% के ऊपर तो अलर्ट होने का है. ये बंदा 12% बोल रहा है. ओके, वेरी गुड, चलो आ जाओ, और इंफॉर्मेशन दो, और आउटपुट दो, ये सब करो, राइट? और ईयर्स, कोई बोलता है आई गिव यू रिटर्न एट 15%. ओके, 15%. सो 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 15, अप्रॉक्स 5 years, 4.5 or 5 years. सो 5 साल के अंदर अंदर पैसा डबल हो जाएगा. ओके, ठीक है. So I mean, quickly, you don't need a big calculator or something. So for example, if someone says I'll get you money doubled in 5 years, that means he's talking about 72 divided by 5 years. That means 14.4% interest rate. Simple rule. That means he's talking about 14.4% interest rate. And of course, this rule is as accurate up to extent of 99.5% or so. And पहले 2 साल तक वो उतना रिजल्ट नहीं देता है. 2 साल के ऊपर अगर आप पकड़ते हो तो बहुत अच्छे से रिटर्न देता है. बिकॉज someone will say, अगर if someone gives money double into 1 year, you know, 1 साल में पैसा डबल देगा. सो 70 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 तो फिर 72% हो गया. एक्चुअली 1 साल में डबल होगा तो 100% होना चाहिए. यू आर करेक्ट, राइट? 1-2 साल तक दिस रूल गिव्स अ रॉन्ग नंबर, बट 2 साल के ऊपर इट गिव्स अप टू एक्सटेंट ऑफ 99.5% करेक्ट आंसर. एंड वी जस्ट नीड टू गेट अ फील. ऐसा कोई अपने को करेक्ट आंसर निकालने के लिए ऑलवेज कैन यूज कैलकुलेटर एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? रूल 72. Same, if someone tells you I'll give you 12% yearly returns, how would you know how much amount it will take to double the rate? 72 divided by 12%, 6 years to double the amount, right? So this is it. If those poor investors who got trapped into Chinese scams, you know, if someone gives you assurance, if they knew about this rule, that someone gives you assurance of 8 to 10% yearly return, more than 8 to 10%, be very alert. एंड रूल 72 अप्लाई कर देते थे, उनको पता चल जाता था कि ये ठीक नहीं है, ये नहीं हो सकता है. इवन इफ यू टेक दिस वन वर्ड अंडरलाइंड, इवन गॉड कम्स टू यू एंड टेल यू, राइट, दैट 1 साल में पैसा डबल कर देगा, करेक्ट? यू नीड टू हैव योर अलर्ट सिग्नल. भगवान ने बोल दिया है अभी तो क्या, यू हैव योर अलर्ट सिग्नल, यू डू ऑल योर ड्यू डिलिजेंस, पूरा पता करो. इवन गॉड कैन नॉट गिव यू दैट. I'm just taking an example. Please don't get spiritual into that. Only I'm saying is no one can get you that. Only thing is, अगर कोई दे रहा है तो आपको बहुत 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 अलर्ट रहना है, आपको उतना छान परेशान करना है, right? Friends, Neeraj Chopra won gold medal by throwing that javelin for 87 meters, right? We won't be able to make it even for 30-40 meters. Many of us might not be able to throw it in that ground. If you'll see that, वो वीडियोस बहुत सारे आए थे, आपने देखा रहेगा, वो एक ग्राउंड पूरा मार्क किया होता है और उसमें वो जेवलिन जाके गिरना चाहिए. उसके बाहर अगर जाता है तो दैट इज फाउल. सो हम में से शायद कितने लोगों का ग्राउंड के अंदर भी नहीं आएगा, कितने लोगों को तो लेके कैसे फेंकने का वो भी नहीं पता होगा, राइट? एंड नीरज won gold medal into that. Why? How? Neeraj learned fundamentals of the game. Then he learned tricks on how to make his game better, and then kept on practicing both fundamentals and tricks, right? Imagine, similarly, in Olympics of our life, in the game of taking correct financial decisions, we need to first learn the fundamentals, friend, and then learn these tricks, and then keep on practicing both. Imagine Neeraj goes in the Olympics, directly in the Olympics, to throw that javelin, and without knowing the fundamentals of game at all, without knowing the game itself, how would he perform? Would he win gold medal? Possible nahi hai, mushkil hai, challenge hi nahi hai, you know. And in the game of financial decision, what we are doing, हम लोग जो financial decision ले रहे हैं, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We are playing the game without knowing the fundamentals of the game, and that too our own money. अपने खुद के पैसे से, विदाउट नोइंग द फंडामेंटल्स, वी आर प्लेइंग द गेम. तो फाउल नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? हमको समझना पड़ेगा, फंडामेंटल जानना पड़ेगा, सीखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इट्स आवर हार्ड अर्न मनी. वी कैन नॉट वेस्ट इट जस्ट लाइक दैट. इतना मेहनत करके हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स को पैसा कमा रहे हैं, ये सब कर रहे हैं. वी नीड टू नो द फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ गेम, एंड देन ओनली वी कैन प्ले दिस गेम. वी हैव टू प्ले द गेम. वी कैनॉट हैव द, वी डोंट हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ नॉट टू प्लेइंग द गेम, राइट? इसमें से काफी सारे डिसीजन जो मैंने पहले बात किए थे ना, वेदर टू टेक हाउस ऑन अ रेंट और बाय इट, और वेदर टू प्रीपे हाउसिंग लोन इमीडिएटली और नॉट. यस, आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर पीपल ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू हु टेक द डिसीजन. शायद आपके हस्बैंड होंगे, आपके फैमिली मेंबर होंगे, कोई तो डिसीजन लेता होगा. बट व्हाई कांट यू थिंक ऑन दैट? व्हाई कांट यू टेक दैट डिसीजन? हु स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम थिंकिंग ऑन दोज लाइंस? आप भी तो ले सकते हो, राइट? सो यू नीड टू बी फाइनेंशियली लिटरेट. आपको उतना गेम्स के रूल्स समझने पड़ेंगे. Friends, we need to learn the basic of the game, you know. It's a high time we get financially aware. Even as homemaker students, we understood how many financial decisions we need to take, right? In our childhood, friends, I'm sure those of you who are above, say, 40 years of age, you know, we used to use the coins. Currency, वो note तो हमको hardly कभी हाथ में आता था. And I personally have used 5 paisa coin. राइट? दोज ऑफ यू फ्यू सीनियर्स, उन्होंने तो 1 पैसा या आना भी कुछ देखा होगा, राइट? 5 पैसा कॉइन एंड 50 पैसा वाज अ बिग अमाउंट. एंड हाउ वर्ल्ड चेंज्ड. अभी 10 रुपए का कॉइन का भी वैल्यू नहीं रहता है. हार्डली कोई कॉइन हम लोग यूज करते हैं. फ्रॉम कॉइन टू पेपर करेंसी टू डिजिटल करेंसी टू credit card, debit card, to GPay and all those things, and now WhatsApp money, Facebook money, you know, now to cryptocurrencies. Where the world is heading towards? कहां पे जा रही है दुनिया? I mean, हमारे कॉइन से लेके क्रेडिट कार्ड को आने को शायद 40 साल लग गया होगा, बट विद इन नेक्स्ट 5 years, लास्ट 5 साल में, फ्रॉम क्रेडिट कार्ड टू जीपे और फोन पे टू क्रिप्टो, इमेजिन व्हाट वुड हैपन 10-15 years down the line. कहां पे जाएगा ये सब? एंड इफ यू डोंट लर्न हाउ टू यूज दिस गेम्स, हाउ टू प्ले दिस गेम, वी वुड बी लेफ्ट आउट. विल मिस द बस, राइट? सो वी, एंड whatever stage of life you are at, I don't bother whether you are a student, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are a businessman, or whomsoever it is. In fact, every possible forum I discuss that financial education should be part of our education system. Financial literacy should be part of our education system, whatever career you choose. So my friend Isha is there in this session, and she's MBBS student. So what? She's MBBS student. Ultimately, she needs to become a doctor and earn money. So who will teach her how to earn money? Who will teach her how to manage her money? Who will teach her how to manage her wealth, how to create a wealth, right? We need to learn that. So I'll take 5-7 more minutes, and then we'll conclude this, right? As I earlier said, government says 75% of our educated population is financially illiterate. And when it comes to homemakers, this illiteracy rate is shocking, 96%. In a homemaker, financial literacy rate is at shocking 96%, friends. And we cannot afford being that. We just cannot afford doing that. We need to learn how to, and when I say how to take a financial decision, we don't need to become expert into that, but we need to at least manage, be able to play the game, right? And friends, at Wikimantra is a trusted name in a field of providing financial literacy to different section of society, from teenagers to undergraduate student to businessmen to startups to entrepreneurs to professional homemakers. So all these category of students, our vision at Wikimantra is we want to provide financial literacy to every non-finance person by 2027. By 2027, we want to provide financial literacy to every non-finance person, right? With this, friends, at Wikimantra, we are already conducting this course, and currently we are conducting the financial literacy course for homemakers or students, you know, for professionals and entrepreneurs, for professional who are doctors, architects, lawyer, or whatever profession you are into, non-finance profession, you know, or you have your own business, you are running your own business, you are running your own entrepreneurship, you know. And we are taking it for teenagers also, teenagers having age between 13 to 18 years, you know. We are doing courses for that. With Wikimantra, you'll learn many such concepts. अभी पिछले 60 minutes में जो हमने discuss किया था ना, many such concepts about finance, savings, investments, banking, insurance, taxation, you know, business related concepts, and many more very, very, very relevant topics, you know. All these topics we'll discuss in this course at Wikimantra, where we try to imbibe that financial literacy into our learners, you know. It's a very simple and a beautiful way that we conduct it into only 25 sessions and live sessions. That is very important. Imagine whatever I'm discussing today, I would have recorded last week, and recorded version would have kept over here. You know, utna maja aata tha kya recorded mein? You, and at the end of this session, again, we'll have a question answer session. You can ask question about financial literacy, about investment, about anything, or about the course that I'm talking about, and we'll discuss it. So this has to be interactive. You are answering, and I'm seeing, and I'm asking the questions. Like that, your all the questions need to be unanswered. And here you are all on mute. In the session, you are not at mute. You can ask the question, unmuting yourself, and get all your doubts cleared. Only 25 live sessions, which are conducted by expert chartered accountant faculty or so. 5 sessions, 5 weeks, Monday to Friday, only 60-minute session, right? Only 25 hours of your life. And all this financial decision, you will get empowered to take this financial decision correctly. आज हमारा 60 minutes में आप सोचिए क्या क्या चीजें हमने discuss कर लिया. If you have not come across this earlier, right? Few of you have already done Wikimantra course and you have learned all these things earlier. I understand that. So happy that you are here. But still, if those of you who haven't heard it, you know, you understand that 64% people make mistake of time value of money, ignoring time value of money. And now you have come into that distinct 36%. I'm sure you will not make that mistake. Well-trained, experienced chartered accountant faculty like me teaches you, and the sessions are interactive, fun-filled with games, quizzes, prizes, and all that, right? So I'm sure last 1 hour, none of you would have kind of किसी को नींद आ गया रहेगा, किसी को भूख लगी होगी, ऐसा शायद किसी को नहीं आया रहेगा. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मुझे मालूम है, why I'm so guaranteed ये नहीं हुआ रहेगा, because this is money matter. हर किसी को पैसा चाहिए, हर किसी पैसे से इन्वॉल्व है, हर किसी को चाहिए, सिर्फ वो हैंडल कैसे करना है पता नहीं है. You know, everyone wants to have a lot of money, but वो कैसे करने का पता नहीं है, right? And that's why we are discussing this. So this is how we conduct these sessions. World sees, friends, and especially to my homemaker friends, you know, world sees towards you as a home minister. Now let's become a finance minister of home too. Let's become finance minister of home. Since so many days your family was wanting you to learn, know this, and I'm sure so many females were here. I'm sure many of the times your husband must have talked with you, your family member. आप ये सीखो, insurance क्या है देखो, थोड़ा shares देखो, थोड़ा mutual fund देखो, ये करो वो करो, right? And you did not have a platform to learn this. You kept on ignoring that. ठीक है, मेरे क्या जरूरत है, आप देख रहे हो ना, कर रहे हो ना, ये सब कर रहे हो ना. Now it is available, friends. Now the platform is available, right? Very well tested platform of Wikimantra. And this is it. My request to you is, I have one of my friend, Neha, who introduced me so beautifully in the beginning, right? So Neha's mother is doing it. So Neha is, of course, I mean, she's a young girl, a very dynamic girl, and she would be knowing all these things, but her mother, who is 50 years old, Marwadi female, you know, grown up in her native place and all that, and coming to Bangalore and staying there. So in a typical Marwadi kind of a family, she's grown up and she's doing the course now. So my request to Neha is, Neha, if you can come, I'll stop share this. Neha, if you can join us with your mother. We want to hear your mother for a minute. We want to hear how is her.
Just 1 minute.
Just
Just 1 minute. Yeah.
Please.
Just 1 minute.
And we take only 5-7 more minutes. After that, it's open for the questions. You can ask questions about anything about the Wiki Mantra, about financial literacy, about any investment banking, whatever questions you have. I'm here to answer the last person's question. I'll not leave till the last person leaves, you know. So Neha, please.
Hello everyone. Happy Independence Day.
She's a little conscious. It's the first time.
No worries, please enjoy. Let her enjoy. Can someone make her into spotlight, please?
मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अटेंड किया था ये, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत अच्छा भी लगा. मैं ये कोर्स अटेंड करने के लिए मेरा काम फिनिश करके बैठी थी और मैं सोचती थी शायद मुझे अटेंड करना चाहिए. ये मेरे को मेरे बच्चों की तरफ से बर्थडे गिफ्ट मिला था कि भाई मम्मी आपको अब की बार हम बर्थडे गिफ्ट में ये विक्की मंत्रा का क्लास है वो गिफ्ट करेंगे. तो आई एम सो हैप्पी. अच्छा है मेरे को कुछ ऐसा नहीं मिला कि मैं उसको कबाड़ में रख दूं या कुछ कर दूं. ये लाइफ लॉन्ग मेरे दिमाग में रहेगा कि भाई मैंने विक्की मंत्रा का क्लास किया है फाइनेंस के बारे में. तो ये मेरे को एक लाइफ लॉन्ग का अचीवमेंट जैसा हो गया है. बट आई थिंक एवरीबडी कैन ज्वाइन एंड अच्छा इससे लाभ ही होता है इसे, क्योंकि पूजा में बहुत अच्छा सिखाती है. अगर हम मिस कर देते हैं तो वो हमको वीडियो भी भेजते हैं सेक्शन का और बहुत अच्छे से हमको वो सिखाते हैं. सो थैंक यू. आई थिंक एवरीवन कैन जॉइन.
Thank you.
नेहा, what experience you have with the मम्मी? मम्मी का पहले कैसा था और आप कैसे अभी देख रहे हो पिछले 15 दिन में? और I think she's still doing it. 2-3 weeks.
Her course is still going on.
Yeah.
So what was very enjoyable for me was देखना कि मम्मी क्लास के लिए वेट कर रही है. So like 3:30 मेरा क्लास है, खाना वाना खा लो, डिनर में क्या बनाना है बता दो. I have to sit for the class. So she lived her student life again. And I like the fact कि जो बेसिक से बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, लाइक क्रेडिट कार्ड कैसे यूज करते हैं, चेक कैसे यूज करना है, नेट बैंकिंग का क्या सिस्टम है, which you would not understand. She's, I think, empowered now. She's understood the basics. In fact, I'll be very honest, for the rest of you here, I am a budding entrepreneur. I have a startup named Million Dreams, and I've been trying to, I have faced this problem. I'm from an engineering background. So when I met Pankaj sir and he told me about what his mission is to, you know, help people understand, I said, I don't know what homemakers, I need it. That is what I told, because I really need it. And I thought a MBA is the only program which can empower me. Honestly, I thought I need to get a MBA or I need to get a finance person on board. So I am also looking forward to it. But with my mother, I think Asheen, a good student.
Yeah, really.
She's waiting for the quiz. She's waiting for the games.
मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ अगर एक दो आंसर भी मेरे को आ जाता है ना, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मैं मेरे बच्चे रात को ऑफिस से आते हैं तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि आज मैंने मैम को ये जवाब दिया. तो मेरे को एक शेड्यूल चेंज हो गया है. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को खाली किचन का ही करना है या कुछ है. लाइफस्टाइल भी चेंज हो जाती है ऑटोमेटिकली. फिर मैंने मेरे हस्बैंड से पूछा कि आपने होम लोन लिया है तो अभी उस पे कम है. मेरी मैम ने बोला है तो इज टेलिंग नो अपन ने 10 में लिया था, अभी होम लोन चेंज हुआ है. तो मैंने बोला ऐसे कैसे होता है? तो फिर ये बोले नहीं, आई विल टॉक टू बैंक.
Yeah, the transition is happening from home minister to finance minister. It's happening. You were right.
Thank you so very much, Hansa ma'am. Wow. In fact, this is super encouraging. And thank you, Noha, for gifting her the birthday gift, you know.
Yeah, really, sir. अब की बार मेरे को बर्थडे गिफ्ट में विक्की मंत्रा का यही मिला है, ट्यूशन से मिला है.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ. Thank you so much. Thank you. So next 2 minutes, I'll again share the screen and then complete it. Whatever I want to discuss, you know. Whomsoever is interested, please enroll and take benefit of this batch, you know, to make this financially empowered decision. Just to give you a little detail in a 1 minute about how this course happens and all that. Our homemaker or student batch, which is in Hindi and English language, starts at 23rd August. Timing normally happens to be 5 to 6. Few small details if anyone is interested, you know. Batch for professional and entrepreneurs is starting at 6 September. Timing is 8 to 9 p.m. That is specially for people who are already into business. It is not for homemakers, like Neha said, or someone is doctor, someone is a lawyer, they are already handling their businesses or a profession. For them, it is there. And for teenagers, it is coming up into September. September May, we are date is yet to be announced. So whomsoever is interested, this is the phone number we have. So please drop a message over here that you are interested in this course, or one of my team member will put some link into the chat box. You can copy that link to your mobile, and if anyone want to register, you can directly go there and register also. Registration is now open for homemakers and professional and entrepreneurs course only. Teenager yet to be announced, but if you're interested, you can please note down this number and please WhatsApp to us. Two things. You must have got WhatsApp from this number. So WhatsApp us two things: your name, your city, and which course you are interested in. And we'll come back to you on that. Only thing I can tell you is, like Neha gifted her mother, the small investment that you'll make, my guarantee to you is, and I'm a chartered accountant practicing for 21 years. I'm a partner into this firm called Guru and Jana, one of the largest Indian CA firm, and I'm making this statement with a lot of responsibility that we have no question asked refund policy. Out of 25th SAFI session, 25th session morning also you said that I want my refund. I haven't like this. No question asked refund policy, So all I would say is the investment, small investment, it is the investment that you'll make would be very, very, very worthwhile investment. You will certainly not repent on that investment. So open for the questions, dear. Thank you so much for your patient listening.